Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you 3 official ways to upgrade to Windows 11 on supported PCs without data loss. We'll cover Windows Update, Installation Assistant, and the ISO file methods. Let's begin. The first method we will look at is the Windows Update method. This is the easiest and most common way to upgrade your PC. On your Windows 10 PC, open the Settings app by pressing Windows and I key. Then go to Update and Security, go to Windows Update. If your PC meets the system requirements for Windows 11, you should see an option to download and install Windows 11. Simply click on Download and Install and Windows will take care of the rest. So let's click on this now. Accept and install. This method keeps your files, apps and settings intact. Everything happens automatically in the background. If you don't see the download and install option yet, you can simply use one of the other 2 methods we will discuss later. So we will let the upgrade run and return back when it is done. So it has finished the installation and now requires a restart to upgrade to Windows 11. Let's just go ahead and restart the PC now. Restart now. And here it is. Our brand new Windows 11 PC upgraded from Windows 10 using the Windows Update method. You also see from the Settings app that we are now running Windows 11 system. The second method we will look at is the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This is sort of an alternative method that you can use to perform the upgrade when the Windows Update isn't showing the upgrade option. That is, the download and install button is not showing. It requires 2 actions: download Windows 11 Installation Assistant tool, run the tool and follow the instructions. So let's do those. So here we have a Windows 10 PC, want to upgrade to Windows 11 using the Installation Assistant tool. To download the Installation Assistant, go to your browser and type Windows 11 Installation Assistant, click on enter. Select the official Microsoft website. So let's click on Download Windows 11. At the top, you will see the version you will be downloading. So here we will be downloading for Windows 11 version 25H2. So now scroll down to Windows 11 Installation Assistant section and click on Download now. So we'll open our Downloads folder. And here is the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So we'll double click on it to run it. Click Yes. Accept the license terms and install. So now it's downloading Windows 11. It's verifying the download now. It will normally check your system compatibility automatically. And now it's installing Windows 11. So we'll come back to this once it's done with the installation. So we click on Restart now. And here it is. Our brand new Windows 11 PC upgraded from Windows 10 using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. From the Settings app, we see we are now running Windows 11 system. The third and final method that we will look at is the Windows 11 ISO file option. There are circumstances where you may need to use the ISO file to perform in-place upgrades. For instance, when Windows Update or the Installation Assistant fails, when you want more control over the installation process, and then when you want to perform offline installations. This option requires you to manually download the ISO file, mount it, run the setup.exe file inside the folder, and then manually choose to keep your files and data to perform in-place upgrade. Let's do all this now. So here we have a Windows 10 PC that we want to manually upgrade to Windows 11 using the ISO file download method. The first thing we need to do is to download the ISO file. So open your browser, search for Windows 11 ISO, select the official Microsoft web page. So let's click on Download Windows 11. Once the page opens, at the top section, it will tell you the Windows version you will be downloading. So here it's Windows 11 version 25H2. So just scroll down till you get to the Download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Select Download, select Windows 11 and confirm. Now select the project language. Now, since we are performing in-place upgrade where we get to keep our files and data, it's essential that the language you choose here is the same as your Windows 10 PC language. To check your Windows 10 PC language, go to Settings, go to Time and Language, go to Language, and under Windows Display Language, you can see your Windows 10 PC language. Mine is English United Kingdom. So let's go back to the download page. So choose the language here. Every other English version except United States fall under English International. So we select this and confirm. Then click on 64-bit download. Now the ISO file has started to download. It's about 7.2 gig. I'm going to cancel this because I already have the file downloaded. So let me open my download folder. And here it is. This is my Windows 11 ISO. So you double click on it to mount it. Click on open. Double click on setup. Yes. So now it says install Windows 11. You can click on next, but I want to change how setup download update because of time. I don't want it to download update drivers and optional features. I just want it to give me Windows 11. So I will select not right now and next. We accept the license terms. It has automatically chosen to keep our personal files and apps, which is in place upgrade. Okay, now we click on install. So we'll come back once the upgrade has finished. And here it is, our brand new Windows 11 OS, manually upgraded from Windows 10 using ISO file download. We also see from the settings app that we are now running a Windows 11 system. And those are the three most common methods of upgrading to Windows 11 on a supported PC while keeping your data intact. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.